What might happen if you ate a little turmeric every day for 90 days? This bright yellow spice has been used for centuries in cooking and traditional health practices. Today, scientists are also studying turmeric to understand how it may affect the body. Turmeric contains a natural compound called curcumin. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. In simple terms, it may help the body reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. One possible benefit is heart support. Curcumin may help blood vessels relax and function better, which can improve circulation. Better circulation helps oxygen and nutrients move more efficiently throughout the body. Turmeric may also help with cholesterol balance. Some studies suggest curcumin may support healthier LDL cholesterol levels, which is important for long-term heart health. Another area is gut health. Curcumin may help calm inflammation in the digestive system, which may improve digestion and reduce bloating for some people. However, turmeric should still be used in moderation. Large amounts may cause stomach discomfort, and it may interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners. After 90 days of moderate use, some people may notice small improvements in digestion, inflammation, or overall wellness. But turmeric is not a miracle cure. Real health comes from a balanced diet, exercise, and healthy habits.